Hi, this is Dave, Fell Running Guide. Just a quick look at my Locus Gear Khufu, how I've set it up today. I'm not camping in it, I've just brought it for a shelter for lunch on a fast hike. So really simple. I've pegged the four corners and two front guys. So front corner, back corner, opposite corner at the back, the other front corner, and the two front tie outs. And then inside I've just got two trekking poles, not quite long enough to use as one. So what I've done is just used Velcro strap, one there, and not sure if you can see that, but there's another one here just to give me that extra bit of height. Nice and roomy inside. So I'm just sat there enjoying my brew and enjoying the scenery. So that's a Locus Gear Khufu, just the outer tent used as a tarp.